Imagine a sleek, needle-shaped aircraft soaring at supersonic speeds, but instead of a deafening boom, it creates a gentle thump. That's the X-59 Quest, NASA's groundbreaking experiment defying the limitations of supersonic flight. This 30-foot-long marvel, crafted by Lockheed Martin, boasts a unique design. Its elongated, slender shape with a pointed nose helps manage shock waves, essentially diffusing the sonic boom into a quieter sound perceived around 75 decibels, similar to a car door closing. That's a stark contrast to the thunderous booms associated with current supersonic jets. Powered by a single powerful engine, it is set to cruise at Mach 1.42, roughly 937 miles per hour, at an altitude of 55,000 feet. But its true mission lies beyond speed. It's the centerpiece of NASA's Quest mission, aiming to gather public data on how people perceive this quieter sonic boom. Think of it as a supersonic opinion poll in the sky. By flying over select communities and measuring reactions, the mission seeks to understand if this reduced boom makes supersonic travel over land acceptable. This data could be crucial in convincing regulators to potentially revise noise standards, opening the door for future supersonic passenger jets that wouldn't disrupt daily life on the ground. Its success could pave the way for a faster, quieter future of air travel, bringing destinations closer and connecting the world at the speed of sound, minus the sonic boom.